In this video, I'm going to show you how to transfer money from SafePal to PayPal, so just follow these steps carefully. Now, the first thing you want to do is open the SafePal app and make sure you have funds available in your balance. Now, if your funds are currently in crypto, what you need to do first is sell the crypto and convert it into fiat. And once you do that, confirm that your balance has been updated. Now, after that, go to the Bank tab inside the SafePal app, and here you'll see the option to open a crypto bank account. Now, you can open a Swiss bank account for free and complete the setup process. And once everything is verified, you will receive a virtual SafePal Visa card. Now, once your funds are available, what you want to do next is go back to the Bank tab and select the Withdraw option. Now here you can choose to withdraw your money either to your virtual Visa debit card or directly to your linked bank account. Now, after the funds are on your Visa card or in your bank account, you can either transfer the money to PayPal or simply go into PayPal and link your SafePal Visa card and use it directly. And that's it. That's the full process to move money from SafePal to PayPal. If this helped you out, please subscribe. It really helps me out as well. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next one.